Hello, everyone, and welcome to the updated flashcards for Affinity. To help you prepare for your exam, we're going to go through the first 50 questions. Question number one, what law deals with credit, APR, and advertising of consumer loans? The answer is TILA, Regulation Z. Question number two, which regulation prohibits kickbacks? The answer is RESPA. Question number three. Which regulation requires the lender to cancel PMI when the loan reaches 78% LTV? The answer is HPA, Homeowners Protection Act. Question number four. Which regulation prohibits fee splitting? The answer is RESPA. Question number five. X is the letter used to describe which regulation? The answer is RESPA. Question number six. RESPA is the acronym used to describe which law? The answer is Real Estate Settlement Procedures Act. Question number seven. What type of mortgage requires a non-refundable funding fee? The answer is VA loan. Question number eight. What is the provision in a mortgage enabling a lender to demand full repayment if the borrower defaults on the loan? The answer is acceleration clause. Question number nine. What is the provision in a mortgage enabling a lender to demand full repayment if the borrower transfers the loan? The answer is alienation clause. Question number 10. What does CFPB stand for? The answer is Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. Question number 11. What two laws created CFPB? The answer is Dodd-Frank Act and Consumer Finance Protection Act. Question number 12. Which regulation is designed to help meet the credit needs of the communities in which it operates? The answer is CRA, Community Reinvestment Act. Question number 13. Under ECOA rules and regulations, the borrower must receive a copy of the appraisal within how many days? The answer is within 3 business days of the completion of either an open-end loan or a closed-end loan. Question number 14. True or false? If an application is denied based on the appraisal, the borrower has 90 days to request a copy. The answer is false. Question number 15, true or false? If an application is denied based on the appraisal, the lender has 30 days to send a copy. The answer is false. Question number 16. Conforming loans follow the guidelines of which regulators? The answer is Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. Question number 17. Which regulation requires the lenders to be equal when extending credit to borrowers? The answer is ECOA Regulation B. Question number 18. How old must a borrower be to qualify for a reverse mortgage? The answer is 62 years old. Question number 19. Which regulation has the primary function of preventing identity theft? The answer is FACT Act. Question number 20. Which regulation has Section 114 rules? The answer is FACT Act. Question number 21. Which regulation requires the creditor to verify the validity of any change of address received? The answer is Section 114 of the FACT Act. Question number 22. What is the payment method used in a reverse mortgage that allows the homeowners to receive a monthly check while living in the property? The answer is tenure method. Question number 23. What is the fraud scheme where a borrower uses someone else's name to purchase the property, but that person will not be living in the property? The answer is straw borrower. Question number 24. What type of lender insures mortgages? The answer is FHA approved lenders. Question number 25. What type of lender guarantees mortgages? The answer is VA approved lenders and USDA approved lenders. Question number 26. What is the entity that loans money to fund purchases in rural areas? The answer is USDA Department of Agriculture. Question number 27. What is the value remaining in property after all liens and debts have been paid? The answer is equity. Question number 28. A borrower is refinancing his home. How much time does Regulation Z give him to change his mind or rescind? The answer is 3 business days. Question number 29. Which regulation established the 3-day right of rescission rule? The answer is TILA Regulation Z. Question number 30. Redlining is part of which regulation/law? The answer is Fair Housing Act. Question number 31. Blockbusting is part of which regulation/law? The answer is Fair Housing Act. Question number 32. Steering is part of which regulation/law? The answer is Fair Housing Act. Question number 33. Trying to convince a homeowner to sell his home by implying that another race or ethnicity is moving in the neighborhood is called what? The answer is blockbusting or panic selling. Question number 34. Trying to convince a homeowner to purchase in a particular neighborhood based on his race, religion, or ethnicity is called. The answer is steering. Question number 35. Refusing to make loans on a property in a certain neighborhood for discriminatory reasons is called. The answer is redlining. Question number 36. What does HOEPA stand for? The answer is Homeowners and Equity Protection Act. Question number 37. HOPA loans are part of which larger regulation? The answer is Regulation Z, TILA. Question number 38. High cost loans are part of which larger regulation? The answer is Regulation Z, TILA. Question number 39. High price loans are part of which larger regulation? The answer is Regulation Z, TILA. Question number 40. Section 32 loans are part of which larger regulation? The answer is Regulation Z, TILA. Question number 41. Section 35 loans are part of which larger regulation? The answer is Regulation Z, TILA. Question number 42. MDIA Act is part of which larger regulation? The answer is Regulation Z, TILA. Question number 43. Mortgage Disclosure Improvement Act is part of which larger regulation? The answer is Regulation Z, TILA. Question number 44. What is another name for annual percentage rate? The answer is effective rate. Question number 45. What is another name for interest rate? The answer is note rate or nominal rate. Question number 46. PITI divided by gross monthly income is referred to as what? The answer is housing ratio or front-end DTI. Question number 47. PITI plus monthly debt divided by gross monthly income is referred to as what? The answer is total obligation ratio, back-end ratio. Question number 48. How long must TILA disclosures be kept? The answer is 2 years. Exceptions are LE is kept for 3 years and CD is kept for 5 years. Question number 49. What is the maximum amount of time that negative info can remain on a credit report? The answer is 7 years. Question number 50. What is the maximum amount of time that a bankruptcy can remain on a credit report? The answer is 10 years. And that's it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching and studying along with us. I hope these updated flashcards were very helpful for you. We truly appreciate you being a part of our community after all these years. And because of that, I want to extend an incredible opportunity for you. If your New Year's resolution or end of year goal is to finally pass the NMLS exam, then this 5-hour crash course is for you. It's our final live virtual course of 2025. It covers TRID, the new HUD rules, and the borrower's home loan toolkit. Plus, you'll have real-time guidance. You'll be working directly with the instructor. You'll also get a copy of the recording and practice exams. Now, this will be taking place via Zoom, and it is on December 31st from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So if you're on the East Coast, that will be 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. And if you're ready to move forward, then just text 562-253-4406 and let them know that you are a YouTube subscriber and you're ready to register. Lastly, before I let you guys go, a great update that we have: once you pass the exam, we also offer sponsorship and employment opportunities. So you are not just preparing for the exam, you're preparing to launch a new career. And this picture is us with our partner who has the lending agency that you'll be working for and sponsored by. So it's an incredible opportunity, and we're so happy to be able to offer it to our affinity students and any MLO or new MLO that's out there looking to gain employment and is in need of sponsorship. So you guys, I want to thank you again, and we look forward to an incredible 2026. We'll see you in the next video, and Happy New Year.